There's never been a better time to buy the luxury ranch known as the Cedars. At the foot of the Sierra Nevada in Northern California, it is relatively isolated. It's also been slashed in price from $55 million to $15 million. Located in the Mohawk Valley, about an hour from Lake Tahoe, the property spans more than 592 acres filled with meadows, orchards, cedar groves, streams, and 5 ponds. But it's what's sitting on top of the land that truly takes your breath away. There are 3 main residence buildings, and the crown jewel is the main lodge, which is crafted with arched timbers and features a hammered iron staircase, copper roof, river rock masonry, and windows custom made in South America. There are grand entertaining spaces, including a great room that could easily double as a ballroom. There's also a massive bar and lounge, a dining room, and a commercial-grade kitchen. The lodge's bedrooms are guest suites, many with fireplaces, balconies, and kitchenettes. The home also includes a gym, spa, and game room. There's also the Carriage House, a 2-story structure with a luxurious studio above a 2-car garage. Lastly, there's the Bunk House. It was built as lodging for guests and space to produce wine. It's been used for extended family gatherings and weddings. Among the bunkhouse's highlights are a tequila bar, a Jack Daniel's bar, and a kitchen area with a Murphy bed that can serve as an apartment. The property comes with tennis courts, wine caves, stables, and caretaker quarters.